So I think I'll have to add a little bit of water. Maybe don't boil it until it's very thick. It's also very cold. It's Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm trying out a DIY flaxseed gel. So let's get into it. So you know I like hair gels, and I recently discovered that you could do these type of hair gels at home. I've seen that it's nothing new, probably very late because I didn't actually need it to make any gel, because I've had short hair and I would use whatever gel I have and that would last me forever. And now my gels, well, they don't last as long. So I just wash my hair, just so wrap, and what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna prep it with a leave-in. I think it could be any leave-in. I just think that it's a good idea before applying this to apply a leave-in, and I'm gonna be using the Argan Oil 5-in-1 leave-in spray from Has Beauty. I've been using that. It has been fine. I made a review, so you can look it up here. So yeah, let me just prep my hair, and I'll be back so we can talk about the flaxseed gel. Well, my hair's ready. It's prepped with the leave-in, and this is the flaxseed gel. You can see it's very slimy. I haven't actually tested. It was pretty straightforward to make. There are countless recipes out there on the internet. You can find one. I simply use, well, a third cup of flaxseed seeds and 2 cups of water. And I simply boil it until I found the right consistency. You can boil it until you want it very, very thick, which is what I did, or until it's run. It's just whatever you wanted to make out of this. Yeah, I wanted it to be thick, so I haven't tested. It seems runny in my opinion for a gel, but I haven't actually touched it. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, it's super thick. I think I'll have to add a little bit of water. Yeah, it's super thick. So I think I'll have to add a little bit of water. Maybe don't boil it until it's very thick. It's also very cold. I mean, it doesn't smell, well, some people would say that it doesn't smell good, but to me it just smells like flaxseed, like it has a very nutty scent. So I'm going to divide my hair the same way I always do. I'll do a horseshoe here, and I'm not going to apply anything else. I could apply my curling cream, but I don't want anything to interfere with the flaxseed gel, which is what I'm trying today. And like I said, it was very straightforward. At first I was a little, you know, apprehensive to making it, but it was very easy to make. The longest part is just boiling it. So I'm gonna apply it in smaller sections like this. So have you tried flaxseed? I think the BLN hair gel that I used a while ago, it was made out of flaxseed, and I really like that. So hopefully this one, that it's the actual flaxseed, would be as nice as that one. So I'm gonna put water because I think my hair will need water for this because it's very thick. So I wanted to loosen up a little bit the thickness of the gel. But I like a thick gel because that would secure the fact that my curls will last for at least the week that I keep my hair. So it may take a little longer because I want my hair to be very wet. But let's just apply the gel. So this is the gel. I'm gonna grab a little bit of it. It's very slimy. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's very it feels very smooth. It's actually look at the curls. Wow. Sorry, I'm just kicking my plan. Wow, I mean, it gives a lot of slip. It's very slippery. I'm just gonna style it with my brush because let's give this the proper test. And I'm gonna scrunch it up. These are my curls, the first curls. They actually look really good. Let me do another one. Because I don't think I've ever tried a gel like this, that it's so slippery. And well, I'm just gonna talk about let me talk about the benefits of flaxseed, because if this is, I might just change to this natural alternative. I'll have to find out a way to make this last. Apparently this would last in the refrigerator for about a week before it starts to you know, smell, because it has no preservatives. It's very completely natural. But you see how thick my gel turned out to be, and I'm just gonna spread it in my hands. I'm not gonna say what it looks like, but yes. I'm gonna spread it in my hands, and I'm gonna grab this section of hair and apply it. It's wow, I just feel like it's smoothing my hair very well. And I wonder how much can I use, because you know, sometimes I overdo it with the hair gels, because I like to have my curls last long. But yeah, I don't think I've ever had a hair gel that will clump my hair this way. And scrunch my hair. So yeah, let's just talk about the benefits of flaxseed while I'm doing all of this. So these are the benefits of flaxseed gel. It nourishes the hair, promoting hair growth. With vitamin E, provides nutrition to the scalp and reduces free radical damages. It helps clumps the hair and reduces frizz. Adds shine and increases elasticity of the hair. Has moisturizing properties because of the rich omega-3 fatty acids, and it also has hydrating properties. So this is how my curls are looking. Let me try to shake them out. So how they look from the back. And this is up close. So far I'm really impressed. So I'm gonna clip my hair, like you know I do, and I'm gonna diffuse my hair. So I'll be back when my hair is all dry. So this is the result. I am I'm impressed. Let me show you the curls up close. I don't know, I feel like there's a little, maybe it's just my imagination, I just feel like there's like a little, there's some flakiness, I'm not sure, but I'm not really mad. The hair feels super soft. It's very bouncy. You can see that it's very bouncy. The curls are super moisturized. I'm really impressed. And look at how it looks in the back. I think it looks, it gives it like a very natural hold. I don't think this would last more than 3 days, probably. But it's fine. The hair feels super soft and super defined. But I don't know if it's gonna last forever. But I like it. Maybe I would use it because I've seen some people say that you could use this as a mask before your shampoo. So maybe I will try to do that and see if it works better that way. Because of all the nutrients and the vitamins and the moisturizing effects that this hair gel has. But I'm really happy with the results. Comment below, do you like Flaxseed Gel? Have you tried it? This has been going around for a long time, and I just happen to be doing it now. And I'm gonna leave down in the description the recipe that I use, which is, I've found similar recipes everywhere, so it's nothing out of the ordinary. It's just simply the quantities and for how long I actually let the flaxseed boil in the water to get that consistency of the gel. But overall, as a DIY hair gel, I'm really happy. I will see if this holds for a week as I really like. And my hair smells clean. It doesn't leave the same scent that the flaxseed gel has. Like this that nutty flavor from the flaxseed. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.